Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have a very beautiful story for you. Once there is a lady called Rishi who belongs to very poor family. Her husband died of some viral fever. As they are very poor, they are not able to go for proper treatment. So her husband passed away. He has left nothing for his wife except his love and two cows. Yes, only the two cows. Thinking those cows as her property, Rishi started to get milk from those cows and sells it to her neighbors. Using this money, she led her life. Without adding water to it, she sells milk. So people who purchases the milk from this lady Rishi relishes the taste of the milk and recommends this taste to their friends. So their friends also want to try the taste of this milk. Adding not a drop of water at all, Rishi delivers milk to the customers. Most of the customers are highly enticed by this pure milk of cow. So they all become regular customer of Rishi. As a result of this purity, customers count has been increased. Rishi gets very much high profit and earns more money. With this profit, she purchases two more cows and gets milk from those cows. Now she starts to sell not only pure milk but also pure curd and pure ghee. As people are attracted by the taste and flavor of Rishi's curd and ghee, the customers count keep on increasing and Rishi gets an awesome profit. Now she purchases two more cows and appoints two ladies for her help, just to take care of cows, feeding cows at times and all. These two maids are Nick and Trisha, poisoning Rishi's mind by giving wrong opinions about getting benefits. The first one, Nick says that by adding little water to the pure milk, you can get more amount of milk and you can sell it to some extra people and earn much more money. Meanwhile, the second one, Trisha, pokes up her dirty nose into this conversation and says her filthy opinion that if you add more water into the milk, you will get much more amount of money and you can sell it to much more customers and you will get lots and lots of money through this idea. When hearing all these super minded techniques, Rishi is really attracted by them. And she accepts their catchy opinions and follows it. The immediate next day, she starts to mix up water with milk, and really, she gets lots and lots of money in the forthcoming week. When people realize that the milk they buy is not thick as before and it is a mixture of milk and water, they just hesitate to purchase milk from Rishi for the first time. The diluted milk never gives the original taste of milk. So customers count gets decreased gradually because of this diluting technique. 1 month later, Rishi is highly frustrated by these techniques. She expected lots of money from the ideas given by Nick and Trisha. But their ideas really went wrong. That day, Rishi goes to sit alone and cry. Now she could realize her mistake. In the beginning, she used to sell concentrated raw milk. People liked the taste of pure milk. That's why Rishi could muster so many customers within that short period. She bought two cows also during that period. But when she started to become greedy, after hearing the ideas of Nick and Trisha, she mixed up milk with water. She thought of getting much more customers and making double the amount of money. But she failed to realize the originality of the pure milk is lost by this technique. The people who became a customer for this pure milk stopped to purchase the same as it was getting diluted. So they stopped purchasing milk from Rishi. As a result of this greedy behavior, Rishi started to lose her customers. Now she started to lose customers, leading to loss of money, which directed her to sell the two cows which she bought recently. This has happened because of only one activity called greed. This greed has been penetrated into her mind by the attractive words of their unwanted labors. After a big loss only, Rishi could realize her mistakes. Now she dismisses the two maids from her job. She appointed two new, very honestly thinking laborers, and without adding water, she sells milk nowadays and earns money as well as customers through it. So, children, the moral of the story is be honest in whatever work you do. If you become greedy and lose your honesty, you will start to lose all your wealth as well as happiness. If you are honest, the greedy nature will not enter into your mind and destroy you. So be honest and have a nice future. Children, if you like the story, tell your parents to comment on the story and like the story and share the story and subscribe this Kids World too. Next time I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.